When working in CRM, you can create payment links and share them with potential students. This makes the payment process more convenient for customers and gives course instructors an additional tool for control and reporting. A payment link is a way to receive an online payment for a course purchase via a generated invoice. You can share the link in a messenger, send it by email, or share it in chat. Payment links can be created either from contacts or from deals. In the Contacts section, find the needed contact from the list, open Student Card, go to the Payments tab and click Create Payment. In the My Pipeline section, select the desired pipeline, open a deal at any stage. Go to the Payments tab and click Create Payment. On the SendPulse platform, you can choose between two types of payment links: custom payment type, a universal link for any payments in CRM, or EDU payment, a specialized link generated only for paid courses. In the payment description field, enter the information about the payment that the client will see during checkout. Select the contact details from the deal, name and email address. A record of the payment and its link will be added to this contacts card. Then select the payment system connected to your account and enter the payment amount. You can also limit the validity period of the payment link. The duration is set in days with a minimum of 1 day, 24 hours. Once you've configured all the parameters, click Create. After the link is generated, you can copy and send it to the student by clicking Copy. To generate another link, click Create Payment again and repeat the process. All generated links can be deleted by clicking the trash bin icon. When the client follows the link and completes payment, a record appears in the Deals Payment section. It displays the payment amount and currency description, payment system, payment status, and the date and time of payment. The payment status can be one of 5 options: complete, processing, returned, cancelled, or confirmed by a team member. After a successful payment, the link is automatically removed from the deal. If it was created from a contact, it will remain in that contact's card. If the student paid using alternative methods without following the link, you can confirm the payment manually. Go to the Payments tab and click the green Confirm Payment button next to the unpaid status. The payment status will change to Confirmed by Manager, and the payment will appear as successful in the Payment section. Following this, the student will be registered in the course. That's how easily you can generate payment links in SendPulse. In the next lecture, we'll learn how to view and analyze payment information.